Why, two guard, why? Come back, it's not you, it's me. Oh, guys, I screwed up. This 2-guard dash cam, I made a mistake. I'm sorry, it's not you, it's me. Check this out, guys. Guys, if you watched the video where I installed this 2-guard dash cam, I made a mistake. I never should have did it. Now I have to fix it. I need some parts. 2-guard, help me! I had to reach out to 2-guard because I made a boo-boo. So in this package is some replacement parts that I need to fix my mistakes. Sorry guys, if you saw that video, me installing this thing, if you didn't, I'll leave the description in the comments below and that card at the end of the video. But watch, now what I have to do. Hey guys, when I installed this rear view mirror dash cam, the cable was too short and I made a mistake. Now, you see it? There's my mistake. There's my mistake. Haven't you ever just been so disappointed, angry with yourself? Now you have to redo it? Well, I'm going to show you what not to do. Here's what not to do. Think about it before you extend your own wire. All that hard work. And now I had to take it out and redo it. Live and learn, guys. Live and learn. And I did such a nice job too putting this in. All because of this. And this isn't even the hardest part. I took off the wheel well when I put in this backup camera cable. Shoot. not only do I have to take it all out from underneath the truck, it's hooked up to the backup light of the truck. So now I have to take all that out too. Learn from my mistakes, guys. Oh man. Question for you guys. Would you have tried to extend the wire yourself if you were on a tight budget? Funny thing is, I extended it and I tested it and it was all working fine then. I don't know what the heck I did wrong. Obviously something. What do you do? Well, here's the old extended wire. No good now. Guys, if you've got any source of entertainment out of my stupidity, smash that thumbs up. Especially if you've made it this far. So here's the camera end. Hopefully it's not the camera, but Two Guard was nice enough to send me a new camera. No, this is not a sponsored video, just so you know. I did have to pay for all this. Especially my mistakes. But hey, we've made it this far, right? So I'm gonna hook up the other wire and we're gonna see if it works. But I'm not gonna bore you guys with the hooking it back up. I'll show you once it's hooked back up.
All right, here we go.
Alrighty guys, like I said, we're gonna see if this works. And I haven't cheated, so I don't know if I did this right. Hopefully it's better than the first time.
All installed and ready to go. Say that quick 3 times.
So far, it looks like it's working and recording. So I should be able, there's the backup camera, so I can see the backup. Looks good.
Camper, we missed the camper.
It's recording.
It's too damn cold.
Awesome. So guys, we're gonna go for a ride. Make sure it doesn't short out or anything like that.
Yes, we're all going for a ride. Me, Finn, and Mr. Court.
I'm also gonna tell you something that's coming up real quick.
Dun dun dun. Oh, seatbelts, everyone, seatbelts. Finny, you got your seatbelt on? Yep, ready to go.
You wanna go for a ride? Go for a truck ride? Yeah, good girl.
Oh, God. Okay.
So, as we take this for a ride, make sure it's not gonna short out or anything like that. That was my error, guys. It should have worked. I don't know what happened. It should have worked. They did send a new camera as well, so I did replace the camera in case it was a faulty camera. But everything so far looks good. So while we're taking this for a ride, we got something special coming up. So if you guys haven't subscribed, you may want to subscribe. And you may want to hit that bell notification so you're notified when our next video comes out. So we're taking a drive for 2 things. First thing we're taking a drive for to make sure the camera's working all good.
Which looks pretty darn good.
It looks like it's working awesome.
Yay.
And the second reason is we're gonna go by Butter Church, which is supposed to be one of 10 most haunted locations in BC. And we're gonna see if we have cell service there so we can actually do a live there. You guys like the live that we did when we went to the mansion and the videos that we did when we went to the mansion. So we're actually going to go by there and we're going to see if we have cell service to be able to do a live there while we're there. So guys, until next time, please give us a thumbs up if you like videos like this.
Don't forget to subscribe.
As Marcy just said, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next upload. Bye guys.
Ciao.